Hello students, welcome you all. So now we are going to discuss chapter for linear equations in two variable. So before going to linear equation in two variable, we would like to discuss what is linear equation. If you have remembered, this has been you have already studied this in your previous class. So let's see what is linear equation. Linear equation is an equation in which the variable has highest power as 1. Okay na? So let's take an example. 2x plus 5 equal to say suppose 10. Here you can see there is only one variable and the highest power of the variable is here 1. So who is the variable? Variable is x and the highest power of the variable is 1. So linear equation is the equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. There is no condition there that whether there are only one variable or two variable or three variable or four variable. You can use as many variable as possible, but the condition is the highest power. Highest power of the variable must be 1. Okay, na? So, or must be equal, greater than 1. Okay, so this is the condition in order to be a linear equation. And also before that, I think if you remember, the standard form of writing a linear equation was ax plus b equal to 0. Okay, na? Where a is not equal to 0. Okay, a and b are integers and a is not equal to 0. So this was the condition for linear equation. Okay, now we can move into the chapter linear equation in two variable. Okay, here you can clearly understand, I suppose linear equation in two variable means there must be two variables. So we can take some examples like x plus y equal to 5. You can see x and y are two variables. Whatever constant is there, that is not a problem for us. So we can call this a linear equation in two variables. Okay. One important thing is here, while solving the equation, you must always keep the following points in mind. Like first one, same number is added or subtracted from both sides of the equation. Whenever we are solving an equation, you must remember this thing. Same number must be added or subtracted from both sides of the equation. Okay. And second point you must remember, you must multiply or divide on both sides of the equation by the same non-zero numbers. So whatever you are multiplying, here you can, the first point was about addition or subtraction. And the second point is about multiplication or division. Here also the same condition, you have to multiply or divide the same number, but same non-zero number. Okay, na? Now we will go to one example of linear equation in two variable. So there is a nice example you can see in basically this PDF is I have taken from your ncert book. Okay, so in your book this example is there. In a one day international cricket match between India and Sri Lanka played in Nagpur. So there is a cricket match that is being played in Nagpur, and that's a one day cricket match. You know that one day cricket match is played for how many overs? Yes, 50 overs. Two Indian batsmen, okay, two Indian batsmen together scored 176. So there are two batsmen. The name of the batsman has not been given. So two batsmen, say suppose Dhoni and Raina, both have retired from international cricket recently. So Dhoni and Raina scored 176 runs together. Okay, so we will represent this situation as linear equation in two variables. Okay, so let us take Dhoni scored X run and Raina took or scored Y run. So the equation will be like this: X plus Y will be equal to 176. X plus Y equal to 176. So this became a equation which has two variables. Who are the variable? These two variables, and this equation is called linear equation. Why linear equation? Because these two variables have what? The highest power is what? 1. So these two variables has highest power is 1. Okay. And this therefore they are called linear equation, and it has two variables x and y. So it's a linear equation in two variables. You can take several other examples. There are a lot of examples that has been given in your book. So some examples are like here. I have underline these examples. 1.2s plus 30 equal to 5. One example. P plus 4q minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, these are a lot of examples of linear equation in in two variables. Okay, one another thing you need to remember, there is a standard form of writing linear equation in two variables. Okay, right now I'm writing it as linear equation in two variables. So how we can write? The standard form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, so ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where x and y are what? Are the variable, and a, b, c are real numbers. Okay, a, b, c are real numbers, and a, b are both non-zero. Okay, why a, b are non-zero? If a becomes 0, suppose ax plus by plus c is there, and the value of a becomes 0, then 0 into x will be 0, plus by suppose plus c equal to 0. Now what happens? Here it is 0. That means this equation has only one variable, that is y. Because x into a is 0, it has become 0. So we can't say it is a linear equation with two variables. We can say it is a linear equation with one variable. Okay, that's why the value of a must not be equal to 0, and value of b must not be equal to 0. C can be 0. There is no limitations. Okay, so linear equation in two variable, the condition is, one second, the condition is very clear in your book here. It must be written, it should be written in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. A, b are not both 0. Okay, they must not be 0. Is called a linear equation in two variables. This means that you can think of many such examples. Okay, you can give many such examples, and there are a lot of examples. I would like you to go through all the examples. Okay. So there is example 1, example 2. You please go through these two examples. Okay, I'm not discussing these examples. I'm directly going to exercise 4.1 now. So let's start exercise 4.1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Okay, very good. So there is a notebook and there is a pen. So a cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. While, sorry, right, okay, right, sorry, yes. Write a similar equation in two variable to represent this statement. Okay. So let's read the question again. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Whenever you are solving this type of question, you just remember which cost is high. Okay, na? So the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So we can take the cost of notebook. There is a hint here. The cost of the notebook is x. So we can take the cost. You just write like this: cost of notebook equal to, say, suppose x, cost of pen equal to y. Then here it is given cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen, 2 times the cost of pen. So x equal to cost of notebook is x, which is equal to 2 times the cost of pen. Cost of pen is y. That means 2 into cost of pen, that is y. So x equal to 2y implies you bring the 2y to LHS, okay? Or you can say transpose 2y to LHS. So it will be x. Oh, 1 second. There is some problem. Yes. So x 2y will be transposed to LHS. That means minus 2y is equal to here 0. So now this is a linear equation with two variables. You will say, sir, where is c? Because the standard form was ax plus by plus c equal to 0. You can see ax x is there. That means a is 1. We can write it in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. How we can see this? C implies 1 into x. That means a is equal to 1 here. Minus 2a is there. Okay. So plus we can write x, we have already written x, plus by we need by. Here minus 2y is there. That means b is minus 2 plus minus 2 into y. Okay. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That means plus 0 equal to 0. So value of c is 0 here. So you can write here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 0. Okay, this much. Okay, so we have solved the equation. Is it asking us to solve? It's just asking you asking to write a write, write a linear equation in two variables to represent the statement. You just write the linear equation. You don't need to solve. Okay. Now we'll move to question number 2. Express the following linear equation in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. And indicate the value of a, b, c in each case. Okay. Very good. Express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we have to transform this equation. All the equations 6, 7, 8 equations are there in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the value of a, b and c in each case. Very good. Let's start. 1 second. We'll scroll it up. Okay. Now we'll start with the first one. So I am not writing the question again. The question is here. 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35 bar. Okay. Implies you can write like this. 2x plus 3y, bring this constant to LHS, okay, minus 9.35 bar equal to 0. Now here in this case you can write like this. Here a equal to 2 into x, that means a equal to 2, b equal to 3 into y means 3, c equal to ax plus by. You just remember one thing in your mind, the form is this one. Okay, ax plus by plus c. This form you have to write. Okay, ax plus by plus c. Plus c means here it is minus. Therefore, it will be like this. Plus. It will be minus 9.35. Okay, it's saying express the following equation in the. We have already got a, b, c. Now we can write them in the ax plus b plus c form. Implies you can write like this. Ax means 2 into x, a is 2 plus by plus 3 into y plus c plus minus 9.35 bar. Put it in the bracket equal to 0. So this is your ax plus by plus c form. Okay. 2 into x plus 3 into y plus minus 9.35 bar equal to 0. So we have solved the first one. and also indicate the value of ABC. We have already indicated the value of ABC in the earlier part. Now we'll move to the second question. So second question here. First we will write, it will be better for you if you can write first in the form of x plus by plus c equal to 0, then you can find the value of ABC. Otherwise you can reverse the position like what we have done now. Okay, so let's start. Double I here. Again I am not writing the question is here. Equals, oh sorry, implies. Now here the equation is already in the form of x plus by c. We just need to indicate. So a means here 1 into x plus by. Who is b here? Y is here. Whatever thing is multiplied with y, that is b. Okay na? So y into here minus 1 by 5. So plus y into minus 1 by 5, you can see. Okay. Minus 10 is there. That means we need ax plus by plus c form. That means plus minus 10, which is equal to 0. So here we have got a is 1, b is okay. We need to reverse it. Okay. So b is minus 1 by 5 and c is minus 10. So we have got the value of a, b and c, and also we have represented this in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now we will move to, I think this you can do. You just bring this 6 to LHS and it will be solved. Okay, then IV. Okay, IV and V are same. I will do one of it. Let's start with V. So V is saying 2x equal to minus 5y. Now implies we will bring this minus 5y to LHS. So 2x plus 5y equals to 0. Now we have to write it in the form of x plus by plus c equal to 0. So it will be equal to, implies ax means 2 into x. It's already in the form 2 into x. 2 into x plus by means 5 into y plus c means c is nothing c. That means c equal to 0 plus 0 equal to 0. So written in this form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is 5, c is 0. Okay, so write it like this. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 5, c equal to 0, like this. Okay. Now these two questions are same. I will solve one of it. Let's start with V double I. So V double I is saying y minus 2 equal to 0, implies y minus, okay, question is written, we will not write the question, implies y minus 2 equal to 0. That means we have to write it in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That means x, a into x, so a equal to 0 here. So 0 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 is there, therefore plus minus 2 equal to 0. Now who is a here? A is 2, a equal to 2, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 2. Hence problem solved. Now we will do the last one. 5 equal to 2y. Again 5 equal to 2y implies minus 2x will be transposed to LHS. Therefore minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0 implies minus 2x or minus 2 into x you can write plus y by. You can write b is 0 plus 0 into y plus c equal to 0. Here you can write here a equal to minus 2 b equals to 0, c equals to sorry, c is 5. You can write 5 in place of c. So c equal to 5. Hence, we got value of ABC, and also we have written the equation in the form of ax plus by plus c. So we have solved your exercise for point 1. In the next video, we will discuss about for point 2. Okay, so you try this exercise at your home, and also just try all these examples. Okay na? And also you submit the copy in the group. Okay, thank you.